Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you which fuse to check in case the wireless charger is not working. This video should apply to these minivans made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the wireless charger fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs. You want to press them both and lift up. On the back side, you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here a white fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the wireless charging pad fuse is this 10 amp red fuse located right here, and this is Fuse F77. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.